everyone, and welcome back to another snack and story time. Today's story is Big Brother Peanut Butter by Terry Border. This is about Peanut Butter who finds out he's going to be a big brother. So he sets out to ask all of his food friends on what it takes to be a good older sibling. And we have a snack prepared inspired by our peanut butter and friends. Okay, so now we're going to make our inspired by snack. First, I'm gonna put some veggies in. We met Mr. Cucumber in the book. He was older brother to the little dill. Cucumbers. And then we saw some carrots. Everybody loves carrots. Perfect. And then to represent peanut butter, we have these peanut butter crackers. Perfect. And you can use some apples or pears, whatever you have on hand. And then we met pepper jack cheese, but we're gonna use cheddar cheese this time. And last and most exciting, we have a piece of pie. Berry pie was a little brother, I think. Perfect. And there you go, here's your perfect snack. And that's it for our story and snack time. Make sure you check out Big Brother Peanut Butter by Terry Border and share your snacks with your little brother and sister.